Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a what's in my travel bag video for you. Okay, so that's what you're looking at right here, my travel bag. And it is a big travel bag, okay? It is nearly as big as my clothing bag, okay? And in my clothing bag, I fit my husband's and my clothing in it. So that gives you just a little idea, right? I mean, this thing is huge. In fact, if I had a ruler, it's probably in the bag. We might find it. This bag, sorry for the glare, is let's see, it's probably like 16 inches long and it's a foot deep. And it's about, well, with it all, like huge and everything, it's probably about 9 inches thick. So it's pretty big. But we're going to move it aside and we're going to see all of the stuff that I take with me to create while I'm not at home. And I'm doing this because I just, sorry for the ugly mat, but yeah, we're doing this because I just got home and I have to clean it out anyway. So let's start at the top. So right here in this little box here, I have all of my tiny either archival links or distressings, right? I keep them all in this little, I don't know what it is. It could be a oh, it is. Okay, so it's a Tim Holtz thing. It's supposed to hold distressed crayons, but I use it for this right here. And let me tell you, getting these things in here perfectly is like a Chinese puzzle, but I do it. So there's that. Excuse me, so sorry, Fred. My baby wipes, because everybody needs those, right? So those go over there. My baby wipes are for these when I use them, and these are the Recollections. They're watercolor crayons, and they have like a glittery sheen to them. They're so much fun to use. So I have those. And then this right here is a package of various pens, and the packaging is actually like from pillowcases, I just keep it because it's the perfect size, especially for those Tombow pens. So I have a variety. Like I have glitter Posca pens, I have regular Posca pens, I have flare markers, Tombow markers. What are these called? Ink Joy pens, Sharpies, my black pen right here from the Dollar Tree. I think that's it. So yeah, all those go with me. I have a punch right here, and this is used to make the little notches on my pockets and such when I do my journal. I have my little bottle of glue, and this is a little bottle of art glitter glue. So yes, that goes everywhere with me, so I'll put that right back in its spot. I of course have my paper trimmer, which I really hope that I have an extra blade for because this blade is not doing so well. Sorry for shaking you about. I'm just putting it away. That's the wrong way. Okay, it goes right in front of me on my desk. Right there. Okay, let's dig in some more. I have my journal, of course. This is my January-February 2020 journal, so I have that. I also brought along this, which is my November-December journal, because I was hoping to do some work on it. Did not, but I had it just in case. So I have that. Let's see what else. I have this book here, which I showed you a few weeks ago. It's just a book that has a bunch of like positive things in it, right? Images, and I can use them as tucks, tags, pockets, anything I want. It's a super good little resource to have to put in your books. So that goes over there. Then I also have an ephemera holder, right? And on my channel I have in the playlist on how I make my creative daily journals, I do have a video on how I make these, and it just is stuffed full of stuff, right, that I can use within my journal. So I have that. Then I also have these two, and these are Faux Flow journals, right? I've used so much stuff from them. So these were journals that I swapped a while back, and I stick them in my travel bag because, see, they have like cute little tags that have been made that I can use in my journal. Look at that sweet thing. Little envelopes I can use, pop popcorn bag, little butterfly paper clips. So these are really a fun thing to have in your travel bag, even if you just have one instead of three like I do. And then here's another one. Just all of these fun little goodies that I can use within my journal, right? Playing cards I can make into anything, little handmade tags I can use them with my journaling. So that's super fun. So those go over there. And then I have, excuse me again, this bag right here. Now this has all of, not all of, but a lot of the cutoffs and whatnot from my fall journals, okay? From my, let me think, like from my September, October, November books. Yeah. So I put all of the cutoffs and everything into here in case I wanted to work. See, and I have it labeled here like October, Halloween, and fall. In case I wanted to work in my November book, which I did not. So that can go over there. Okay, now we're getting to the bottom. Okay, believe it or not, that's what's in the bottom of my bag. Okay, so over here, I have these little pins that I take with me because when I'm using my art glitter glue, the pin goes in the top, and these are stainless steel little pins. So if this one gets bent or lost or whatever, I have extra ones. So these go right in there. And then in here, I just have an assortment of things. Oop, another black pen. I should probably clean this out, but I won't bore you with that. Here are some Tim Holtz, what are they called? Staples, right? Staples, yep, so those go in there. And then just an assortment of glues and double stick tapes and stuff like that in there. See? Lots of glue. So there's that. And then I have a whole bunch of just assorted washi tape thrown in here. Usually I have it in a bag, but I don't today. This was just a paper menu. So that can go in my scrap pile, actually. I have this that I received in Happy Mail, and I just put it in here because it's just the perfect little size to hold a bunch of scrap ribbon that I can use within my journaling. Oop, another thing of washi tape. The all-important corner rounder. Yep, I got a corner rounder in here. More ribbons. Whoops, see? All these ribbons and stuff. My mysterious pillowcase fabric. So that can all go bunched up into there. I have a pencil sharpener in case I bring my drawing stuff. I have my trusty ruler. Love this ruler. It is a Tim Holtz ruler and it's clear and it's just fabulous. So I use that all the time. And then down here are bits and bobs. Oops. Here is a beautiful washi tape sample that I can use. So I need to put that with my flow books. There we go. And just some odds and ends and bits. Oh, there's some more. Oh, that's cute, huh? Little cars, if you can see that. Washi tape. Okay, and then in one of these side pockets, okay, over here, see there's like a side pocket in this thing. So I keep my Fabri-Tac in that, standing upright. So I'll put that right back where it belongs. What else is in here? Nothing of consequence in that side. I also have pockets here, right? Which I don't keep very many things in. This is super hilarious, okay? Medicated and motivated. It's a little luggage tag my girlfriend gave me years ago, and I keep it on my bag. Oh, golly. Okay, and then on the side here is another, like, side pocket, right? So here's where I usually keep all my tools. So I have my scissors. Let's see what else is in here. I have my stapler, the tiny attacher thing. I have, these are just my fabric scissors. The orange handles tell me that these are only for fabric. So does that, where it says fabric only. I mean, I know they're fabric scissors, but other people in the family might not. And then my Crop-A-Dile in case I need to punch holes. And that's it. And let's see what's in. And then we go around to the side pocket here. There's another huge side pocket, and I don't have anything in here either. So there you have it. That's everything that I bring with me when I go out of town for a bit, I do need to clean out all that glue and the rest of it. So I'll do that off camera. But yeah, that is my bag. And that is, it like hooks here. But of course, when I have all my junk in it, it doesn't ever stay hooked. See how huge it is, right? It is absolutely huge. And I stuff it to the gills with all of the stuff that I just took out of it. Yes. And then that's what I use when I am down south for a long extended stay. Actually, I take it every time we go south. So it doesn't matter if we're there just for the weekend or if we're there for a week. But yeah, I just thought it would be fun to show you the things that I take in my travel bag when we go down south and I'm not here at my desk to do my crafting. So I hope you enjoyed that little bonus video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell if you want to be notified when a new video of mine comes out. And I'll thank you for your time in sharing it with me. And look forward to some flip throughs because they're coming up tomorrow. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so thanks so much for sharing your time with me. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye for now.